Hey everyone, today I'm going to be fixing another JD engineering mistake. There's no shortage of those. So it's a pretty common occurrence for this hood latch mechanism to break away from the hood. So we're going to reinforce that ourselves. So you've just got this piece of metal bolted to this plastic, and it's a cavity, a hollow cavity, so not very strong at all. And we can reinforce that to prevent this from breaking in the future. If you've already got a broken one, you'll have to reinforce it a different kind of way, like perhaps filling it with epoxy and adding a metal brace to strap it all the way around the sides. But today I'm only going to have to reinforce it because this one hasn't broken yet. To start off, we need a T40 wrench to take the hood off. And if you haven't seen one, a T40 is a star drive wrench. So we'll do that. You don't have to take the lift strut off. Just 4 bolts. And if the nut spins to this bolt, you can put a wrench behind here. I'm not going to disassemble it. I'm just going to fill it the way it is, but I don't want to take it apart and clean it. So I'm just going to blow the dust out. So this is what I'm using, JB Weld Clear Weld Epoxy. From what I've read, it's going to take 2 kits to do the 2 pockets, 1 for each pocket. This comes with a popsicle stick you can stir it with, and you got to mix it and use it within about 5 minutes, and it'll take an hour to cure fully. Oh boy, stuff's pretty stinky. Now this is a very DIY way of reinforcing that. You could also just buy like a ready-made kit, you know, like from the 3D printing people. 3D Fusion Labs is one of them. There may be others. And then you can just do a bolt on without having to do this, but it's really not too much effort. You want to mix this as well as you can. But it looks like it's all about to be one uniform color. And I'm going to apply it with the hood sitting vertically like this, so gravity will pull it down inside the pocket. So I am not removing the cage nuts at all, because I don't see if there would ever be a need to take this thing off. Oh, this is going to be an ugly way. This is actually the cheap kit too. You could buy one that does the mixing inside the applicator nozzle, and you won't have to do it this way. I should have put on some gloves. That worked out perfect. It's pretty much one kit does one pocket. Time to get another plate and do the other side. So here we go again. Application number 2. Right, this is application number 2. You can already see a color difference. There's about 10 minutes of time between this pour and this pour. So now I just have to wait an hour, and I'll go ahead and put that back on the tractor. It's my personal opinion that a tractor should not be made out of plastic. This sucks. I do recommend getting some help, because trying to put this on using my head to hold it up while I put the nuts and bolts together is no fun. 0 stars, do not recommend. I had to take the sides off because I kept dropping bolts, and I did lose one. I guess it fell to wherever lost 10 millimeters and dryer socks end up, because I've looked all over and I can't find it. But you want to put everything together loose so that you can check the alignment with your latch mechanism before you tighten it all down. Because sometimes you might end up over here or over here. And this one works. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it in. Part of the reason this hood breaks is that the engine is 3-cylinder diesel engine, shakes really bad, so it can rattle itself to death, especially on startup and shutdown. Another thing that can break this is towing the tractor nose forward. The wind will get under there and rip it off. That's why the manual will tell you to haul it backwards. Okay, that's all I've got for this one at the moment. The epoxy part itself takes about 15 minutes. Getting this hood on and off by yourself is pretty time consuming. The whole thing took about an hour and a half for me. So I appreciate you watching this. I hope it helps you out. I'll put links to the products in the description. And if you buy those, it'll help the channel out. So I appreciate it if you do. Thanks a lot, everybody.